You can earn $20, $50, or even $100 in a single day by opening emails. This method provides the easiest way to earn money online by reading emails. Regular individuals like yourself can cash out real earnings on this platform, making it safe to say that it works effectively. You don't require any prior experience or investment. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer with an internet connection to get started. Additionally, you can do this from anywhere in the world. So whether you're based in Africa, Asia, Europe, or anywhere else, you can still make money with this website. I will demonstrate to you how you can start making money online every day by just reading emails. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends. You can go ahead and skip to know the name of the website, but stick around because I'm going to tell you the key features of this website and other ways that you can get money from this website. If you have an email account that you check regularly, I have a good news for you. I'm about to show you a website where you can earn anywhere between $50 to $100 simply by opening and reading emails. There are no complicated steps or skills required. Just open emails and earn money online. The more emails you read, the more you will earn. So let me explain to you how it works. There are 3 simple steps to making money online by reading emails. First is sign up for the free account. Second is reading the emails. And third is getting paid via PayPal every single day. So here are some key features of the platform that are important to understand. First of all, you will receive daily paid emails directly to your inbox. Second, they pay their users instantly, thanks to their quick payment processing system, and you can receive your money online within 24 hours. Third is that the payout limit is very low, starting at $15. Once you reach this minimum threshold, you can start cashing out your earnings. Fourth is the platform is completely free to join, and you will receive a $3 sign-up bonus when you activate your account. Before you get started, ensure you have 2 things ready: a PayPal account and an email account. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up for free and it is available worldwide. Additionally, make sure you have an email account. I will advise you to open a new Gmail account. So to sign up for the platform, visit paidtoreademails.com and follow the simple registration process. Once you have signed up, you will receive a $3 sign-up bonus credited to your account. There are 2 ways that you can get money from this website. Number 1 is cash surveys. When you answer some survey questions, you can earn between 50 cents to $1. And the second way is paid emails. You will simply read emails and make money online. For the paid emails, all you have to do is click on the link provided in the email, stay on the website for at least 30 seconds, and browse through the content. Afterward, your account will be credited with the corresponding amount. Once you reach the $15 withdrawal threshold, you can cash out all your earnings into your PayPal account. Additionally, the platform offers a referral program where you can earn extra cash by referring your friends. You will receive 15% of your referral earnings, making it a passive income stream. Simply share your referral link with others to start earning. That's it for today. If you want to learn more about making money online in Africa or worldwide, check out the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in learning how to make money online by reading emails. Remember, it is a simple and accessible way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel with the notifications on. Also, feel free to share this opportunity with your family and friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to boost your income. Until next time, goodbye.